everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey, for those of you who don't know. So this is going to be my first YouTube video back. I figured I was going to film and try out 3 new things that I'm super excited about. I actually put the unicorns behind me of the things that I'm going to try out. I went onto the Morphe website and ordered these last weekend, and they came in the mail this week, and I've been saving them to try for this video. So the 3 things that I got are the Morphe Glamabronze face and body bronzer, and this is in the shade Icon, and it's a huge pan, and it comes with like this nice mirror. These next 2 things I'm so excited about, and I could not get them when they first came out, so I'm super excited I got them now. I just need to get the last of the 3, which I have this is the Luminous powder, the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Do Me, which is the lightest shade that she has, and they call this, I forget what specifically, like, because they all have like different little names on them, but I will figure that out and link it. I am super excited to try this. They say that if you have like textured skin and stuff, this is really good for that. So I'm excited. I did not set my face, so I will show you guys my face before I set it, because they say you can use this as a setting powder, or like mix it in with your setting powder, and it'll give you like a glow within kind of look. And so that is what I'm going to try out with this. And I'm also going to like put it on my apples and my cheeks, because I use the Hourglass ambient lighting powder on my apples and my cheeks, but I'm excited to try this. And then I got the Flash palette from the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, and this I'm just so excited about. The packaging is very beautiful, very sturdy, good quality. I do have the prices for you once I'm done going over, but it is very like heavyweight, and then you open it up and you have your 4 shades in here and a humongous mirror. So the shades are, let me like flip it this way. It is Gleam, Iced, Sparks, and this one is Mesmerized, and I will swatch them all. I'm really excited about the 2 right here, and I am like, Jaclyn Hill is one of my favorite YouTubers. She's probably my favorite YouTuber, and then Laura Lee, as you can see in the background, is also one of my favorite YouTubers. But I think that Jaclyn makes really good products, and I really enjoy every time I get something from her. I enjoy it. I'm actually wearing her original Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and then I'm wearing the Vault collection. I used Ring the Alarm and Dark Magic. Dark Magic on my eyes and created this eye look, and her original palette I'm always grabbing for. The Vault I really like, and there are like some shades, but the original I'm always like, I gotta get a shade out of it, and I try to like, you know, mix and match all the shades and stuff, but that is one that I always go for. And so with this, okay, it tells you right here what the actual things are. So the Glam Face Body Bronzer, oh, it doesn't tell you the price, but that was like $19, and I know that the affiliate codes work for that. The Mood Light Luminous Powder in Do Me, I think that one was $32, and then the Accent Light Highlighter Palette in the Flash, I know that one was like $49, but actually I ordered it off of Morphe, and if you don't have the money right then to get it, Morphe does have Afterpay, which is also very nice for people who can't get things right when they need them. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly show you what my face looks like right now. And that is before setting my face. So I am gonna go in. I have my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light, and I'm gonna open it up and sprinkle some into the cap, so it just looks like this. And I'm going to open this up. This also is very like luxurious feeling. Like, you can tell it's nice quality. Sorry, I opened everything, but I did not open the little sticker. So I'm going to take and put some into the cap of this. I'm gonna try to shake it out. Okay, so I have about that much, and it's probably gonna be too much, honestly. And I'm going to take this Morphe G35 brush. They don't have this anymore, I do not believe, because it's from the Gilded collection. But I'm gonna take this, and I want to try to just set my face with this Luminous powder. And I'm just taking that and dipping it into the can, and then I'm going to simply just press it onto my face. And I'm gonna see how this works, because I don't know, honestly. Like, I know she said you can mix it, so I'm sure like mixing it would probably feel a little bit. But honestly, it's not giving that much shine. Like, it just looks healthy. So I did on the left side of my face just the powder. Now I'm going to dip my brush into the finishing powder, and I'm going to tap off excess, and then I'm going to dip it into the Luminous powder and tap off the excess. And I'm going to press that onto the right side of my face, and we will see which one comes out better. So again, I'm just going in with the loose powder and tapping it off, and the highlighter powder, tapping that off, and then just tap 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 for the forehead. Anybody else have like super like bad dry skin in the winter, and just nothing ever like looks like how I want it to look? So I just went into the left side of my face and put it on my forehead, because I did forget to do my forehead. I am so sorry that my hair is so crazy, you guys. So the left side of my face is just strictly the powder, the Luminous powder, and then the right side of my face is the setting powder and the Luminous powder mixed together. And honestly, I can't really tell the difference. I shouldn't have waited to set around my nose and my eyes, because they are so dry that it just doesn't look good. But so this is the left side, and then this is the right side. So I really like that it's like subtle. It's gonna make your skin, I bet if I put it on like right after I did my foundation and everything, like my skin would look amazing with it on. It looks really good right now. I'm actually gonna take, I just want to shout this out. This isn't part of my video, but I got this last night, and this is an e.l.f. sponge. I got it for $4, and I am like really impressed with it, the quality and everything. So I just put some powder around my nose, and I'm just gonna tap some under my eyes, on both sides, just so I don't crease or anything there, and to set around my nose, because my nose gets so bad. Okay, so again, the Luminous powder is really nice. I'm gonna put my cap on my finishing powder, and then we're gonna jump in and try out this Morphe Glam Bronzer in Icon. And I saw this in one of Jaclyn's videos, and I really loved it, and I thought it would look really nice. And it's a very big product. I'm actually going to use the JH02 brush. This is from when she collabed with Morphe, and I just took it and I'm dipping it in, and then I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm just going to, oh, that's so pretty. I have a hard time finding a bronzer, because a lot of bronzers are either too like muddy, like too gray and cool, or they're too red. This one's like a nice bronze color. Like a nice caramel. I really go ham under my chin because I have a really bad double chin. Genetics. Now I'm just taking this brush and I'm just going from right above down to about the end of my lip to carve out the cheekbones. Now the right side of my face is a lot more texturized. I don't know if you can see very well than the left. Like my left side of my face has texture, but my right side for some reason has so much more texture. So I probably should have like switched using the powder over here to over here, but we learned from our mistakes. I'm gonna just take this and add a little bit more. I really love this color. Wow. And I actually really love this powder as a setting powder. I actually like it more just as the setting powder than with the setting powder mixed in. Not that it looks bad over here, it just looks a little more drying on the right side, and the left side looks a little more like healthier and natural. And so, okay, I'm going to try to get this little, okay. I'm obsessed with this bronzer, and for $20, honestly, that's not bad at all because bronzer lasts me forever. I do use it every time I do my makeup, so it's not like I'm not using it. But I just actually got down to the bottom of my Hoola bronzer that I've had for like a year, and it's just like a mini one. Like it's not even like the full size, I don't think. But this is gonna last me forever, and $20, it's such a good shade. And especially if you're fair like me, it's a great shade. So I'm actually just going to kind of press in along the lines of where I chiseled it out and down on my neck a little bit because it's a little choppy. And then I'm going to go in with the loose highlight. Well, it's not a loose highlight, it's a powder. It's a loose powder. And I'm going to take this R36, and it's just a bigger like highlighting brush. Dipped it in there, and then I'm just gonna simply put it right on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to do it over here. Same thing. And okay, so that's what the loose highlighter and Dew Me looks like. Sorry, on the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm gonna go in and we're gonna play with the Flash palette. And I'm so excited for this. Oof. The Dew Me honestly reminds me of the Hourglass, just prettier, because it like, I don't know. It's just a lot. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so I'm in the Jaclyn palette. I should swatch these. I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hands because I am terrible at arm swatches. So the first two I'm doing is Gleam. Actually, I'll just do them all. And I just swipe 1, 2, and this is what I got. Excuse my hand, because my cats love to attack me. So the first one is Gleam, and then it's Iced, and then it's Sparks, and then Mesmerized. You can't even really see on me. So that'll probably be like an eyeshadow, because it's getting to the point where it's a little, like it's rose gold, so I'm sure I could actually wear it as a highlighter, but I don't know how often I would wear it as a highlighter because it's a little dark. So I'm actually going to tap into Gleam and Sparks. I'm going to mix those together, And we're going to apply, oh shoot. Wow. That is stunning. That wasn't even a lot on this brush either. Again, I'm gonna do Gleam, Ice, and Sparks on this cheek. We'll see. Wow. Holy smokes. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, wow. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more on this side. Like, ready for it? Ready? Woof. Yes. I'm gonna put it on my forehead just to make me look extra shiny. And I'm gonna put it on my nose and right above my lip. Like that. And I'm gonna put a little on my chin. So, wow. I can't even like express to you how good that was. When I go like this to the left side, I can see it. When I do this on the right, like I can see it a little bit, but not as good as when it hits the left side. Left side's the good side. So I'm just gonna take, oh, I took the other brush, but I'm gonna take this brush and just blend it out. Blend, 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 and I'm so shook. Whoops. I saw reviews on it, so I knew it was gonna be good because I love Jaclyn and I have high hopes for her products all the time. But honest to God, these 3 things are amazing and I recommend them to anyone. These are so good. She came back with a bang. So I don't know if I could choose which one to get, honestly, because I was contemplating when her first release came on which one to get and I couldn't decide, so I got them both this time. So I can't tell you which one to get. Maybe if you have textured skin kind of like me and you're not like crazy about a big palette, then try this. I know the loose highlighter is like insane. I'm not a big loose highlighter person, but I do want to get one just to have it and so I can, you know, see what the tea about that is. But that is all for now. I have a couple of videos planned in my head that I'm going to try to film and get pumped out and everything. Sorry for such a long, like, kind of video, but I will get better. I plan on getting better. I hope you guys like the setup a little bit. I plan on like trying to put like the boxes of things that I use back there because I do save like unicorns because it's just a weird thing that I do, but I do plan on trying to save them and put them back there so we have sort of an idea of like what the video is going to be about. But yes, so please like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel and it would be very much appreciated. Bye guys.